Welcome to Construction Site Diaries by Afi. In this video, Basic Excel Tutorial for Beginners, we'll cover essential tips and functions to get started with Excel efficiently. What is Excel? Excel is Microsoft's spreadsheet software. It helps you organize data, perform calculations, and create charts easily. Excel Interface Overview. Here's the Excel interface. You can see the ribbon at the top, the formula bar, and the main sheet area where you enter data. Essential Excel functions. Some essential Excel functions include sum, average, count, maximum, and minimum. These help you quickly analyze your data. How to create a table. Creating a table in Excel is simple. Select your data, click Insert, then Table, and format it as needed. Visualize data with charts. You can visualize your data by creating charts. Simply select your data, go to Insert, choose Chart, and pick the chart type you want. Tips for efficient Excel use. Some beginner tips: use shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, freeze panes for easier navigation, and format cells to make your data clear. That's it for our basic Excel tutorial. Practice these tips, explore more functions, and soon you'll be an Excel pro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if you want more content in construction.